Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the battery percentage option on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select the notifications option. Here tap on advanced settings and right here we have show the battery percentage option, and to enable it simply tap on the switch next to it, and as you can see the battery percentage appeared next to the battery icon on the notification bar, and if you disable it, it disappears. And when you enable it, you can simply close the settings, and that's how you enable the battery percentage option on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.